Now, what exactly is Ansible Inventory? Now, while using Ansible, we can actually manage the configurations across multiple nodes because Ansible is capable enough to handle a huge amount of servers, node machines there. And that's the reason why we use the Ansible. If it's just one or two servers, then definitely with some shell scripts and with some different automations, we can get it done there. But Ansible comes into the picture only when we have a huge number of servers which we cannot handle manually or with the help of scripts there. Now, Ansible provides an inventory feature, which means like if you have to manage certain servers, certain group of servers using Ansible, then you can actually include those in the inventory file in the Ansible inventory because Ansible is looking forward to the inventory for all the servers, all the lists. While invoking Ansible commands or Ansible playbook files, you have to provide the group values, and if it's not available in the host inventory file, it will not be connecting to those servers, so it should be available in the host inventory file there. So Ansible inventory is very important because in this one you are going to have each and every server machine's IP address or domain name available over there. So the default location of Ansible is Ansible inventory is etc Ansible host. That's a default location which is available there, where you will be able to have all the servers added up. Usually, project to project, they don't want to go for this master host file. Sometimes they don't even have the access to that file also. So what they do is that they actually go around and have a different command. So with the help of -i over here, the -i option over here in this one, so they basically say that okay, this is the option which we can use so that we can have some implementation, we can have some setup done over here. So that's also one of the thing which we can do, we can achieve over here in this case. This is the option, this is the core option which we are trying to look upon, that using the -i option we can go around and we can have the customized host inventory file which we can pick it up over here. You can even have multiple host inventory files for the same project, so you can perform that also. If you feel like you want to manage your own host inventory file, that's also like something which you can handle and you can work it off over here. So that's also easy to handle over here in this case. Now let's talk about the example, like how exactly the Ansible inventory basically looks like over here. Now in this case, as you can see, like we have certain groups. For example, we have this Azure Children which is available there, Azure Dev which is also available here. Now Azure Children is a kind of a group which is holding up Azure Dev, and again you can see Azure Dev is again holding up Azure Dev DMZ, and again Azure Dev DMZ is having the Bastion and Bastion is having the actual servers. So the whole point of showing this particular inventory is to understand that we can even create subgroups over here, like we can create some hierarchy, so that the whole reason why we are giving this children over here is because it's helping us to establish a relationship here. The relationship is what we are trying to establish. We are trying to have it up over here in this one, that yes, this is how we are going to establish the communication or the relationship between two groups here. So one is the Azure which is available, then we have Azure Dev, then we have Azure Dev DMZ, and then Azure Dev DMZ Bastion. So these are the different groups which is available there, which we are trying to configure in this scenario.